Hey everyone, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to start saying all my videos are going to be different because they're all going to be different. Anyway, today's video is going to be cleaning out my makeup vanity. I don't have a lot of makeup. I do have enough makeup where it doesn't close any longer because I just went shopping online on Too Faced's website. They were having a little bit of a sale and I kind of splurged a little bit. Anywho, I am just going to jump right in because I want this to be kind of a quick video, but I'm just going to go through all my makeup and probably trash makeup either I don't wear or is expired. So let's get started.
Feels like, don't say you don't need me at all. And forgive me if I hurt you, baby. Don't you say that I did on purpose, baby, no. Where are you looking, baby, tell me. You really hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know. Where are you looking, baby, tell me. You really hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know that I'm sorry, but you don't. Where are you looking, baby, tell me. You really hurt me, baby, when you left me. bear that I rescued. I gotta love that I lost. I got a kiss since I met you. I got your name on my notes. I got everything, but I don't have you. 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 I got a bear that I rescued. I got a love that I lost. I got a kiss since I met you. I got your name on my notes. I got everything, but I don't have you. 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 Gotta chase the morning sun. When I see you smile, I'm feeling free. Step inside my life, a fantasy. When you're here, you'll never want to go. Put your faith in something you don't know. Gotta run into the light. Gotta chase the morning sun.
so this is my final product. Hi. So back here we have this is highlighters, bronzers, setting powders, and blush right here. So we got my setting powders back here, bronzers right here, blushes are right here, and my highlighters are these three. This is my eyeshadow and primer and lotion and also tester palettes. Why? You're so irritating. Then these are my two, there's a Too Faced palette and my Urban Decay palette. This is my concealer, setting sprays, and what are these things called? Foundations. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. And foundations over here. And I just set in my eyelash adhesive for my eyelashes. Eyelashes are right there. Then we go in the front. We have all of my mascaras. Underneath these are little itty bitty mascaras that I do like travel with. Underneath these containers are my two Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. So I just put those underneath there just to make it look a little nicer. This is my lipstick, lip gloss, and eyebrow container. I don't know why, but they all fit together. So we have all of my eyebrow products, then all my lipsticks, lip glosses, lipstick, and then these are like little testers I got, and then my pomade, and these are all my makeup towelettes. This drawer is kind of like anonymous, not anonymous, random stuff, I guess you can say. I haven't even opened half of this stuff. Huh, whoops. Yeah, I just throw random stuff in here. It is pretty clean though. I keep it pretty organized, so I'm not gonna really touch it. There's just extra stuff. Then over here is my makeup brushes and tools. So we got this little thing that came with the Too Faced chocolate bar palette. It has little instructions on how to do eyes, so I am gonna keep that just for in case I ever need it. I did get rid of 4 things. They're just pretty old things. We got a Tarte Park Avenue Princess little bronzer. Let me see if I can open it with one hand. I can't, so I'm not gonna open it. So that's really old. We got a Pixie blush duo. It's in peach honey. It is pretty, but it's just extremely old. I've had this for probably 4 years now. I have 5 of these, so this one is the most used. It's the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, so I'm just gonna get rid of this. And then I have never used this. I don't really know what it is, but it's a Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminator Moisturizer. I don't do moisturizers that have glow in it, so I'm gonna toss it. So, got rid of 4 things. These are the 2 makeup bags I got when I ordered from Too Faced. This is the Peaches and Cream makeup bag that if you spend like $50, you get this for free, as well as this little guy and this little guy for free. So I got that, and then this thing has those squirrels on it. This included the chocolate palette as well as the big Too Faced Soleil bronzer, and I believe this Too Faced matte lipstick. I believe, if I'm correct. But I'm just gonna probably set those. Actually, I'm not even gonna put them in there. I don't know when I'm gonna set them yet, so I don't know. But this is the final product. Pretty happy with it. But yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys. So I totally just forgot I had a whole container in my bathroom of makeup. So I just switched into this bag. So I'm gonna go through it real quick and see what I want and see what I don't want. So I have another Pixie duo. I kind of do like those, so I'm gonna keep probably this one because this one's actually a highlighter and a blush. The other one was kind of like a highlighter but not as pigmented, so I'll keep that. Trashing that. This stuff sucks. It hurts so bad. The lip injection by Too Faced. We got a pretty elf makeup. I mean e.l.f. lipstick. That one's really pretty. I'm gonna keep that. And also I did find this container. I'm gonna see if I can throw this in here. Maybe. I'm probably gonna play around with this again, honestly. So I'm actually turning on my camera again once I'm done with all this. So bye for now. Alright, so this is actually this. So this is actually gonna be the final product. So we have all of my eyebrow and eyeliners in here, all of my mascaras in here, all of my lips, because I actually found a lot of lippies in here. We have all my foundations, the two tinier eyeshadow palettes. I'm sorry, two of the eyeshadow palettes, all of my tiny eyeshadow palettes, the little testes, primers, and lotion, and all of my like bronzers, blushes, highlighters, and setting powders. And then my lashes are right there, and then I only have one now right here, the makeup towel. So this is my final product. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. Bye.